welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today on this beautiful day? Alright guys, today what we're gonna do today, we're gonna build a raised bed that will self-sustain itself. You wouldn't have to water it. It will basically walk on its own just like the forest. So as you can see here guys, if you notice we get all these woods. And if you notice, these woods sucks a lot of water, and they holds water. So this is very important. So what we're doing, we're taking all of them and we're going to show you how to build a raised bed and how to pack it up. This raised bed, you wouldn't have to water this raised bed. If you go into a drought, you don't have a problem. This will self-sustain its own self. Just like the forest. You never saw nobody go into the forest and water anything. But guess what? The plants them still eat, and the plants them still able to get the water that they desire. Okay? Alright, so what we're going to do now, this is important too guys. This is very important too. Take the leaf. What this gonna create? This gonna create a system underneath which gonna draw a lot of earthworms and a lot of beneficial insects that we need. So what we're doing here, we're building a system that can self-sustain. It could sustain its own self, just like the forest. You wouldn't have to water this garden, this raised bed. No, guys. Okay. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to take soil and we're going to build our raised bed now. So the leaf and the logs, they're going to hold the water, the moisture under the surface. This is very important, guys. So you water your garden no more. So when you cover the logs them and the leaf, they break down even faster. You also create a system. You see what these earthworms? Look, these earthworms. So we're gonna put these earthworms. You see the earthworms? Look at them. So you're gonna put them down inside the bed. Time is getting hard, guys, and I'm telling you, water bill is also expensive. With these methods, you could also try them in your raised bed, in your container, so you wouldn't have to water as much. With this system, the wood sucks water and it holds the water the leaf breakdown and create a system, a spongy system inside the soil that holds water, which is important. In my garden, we don't water my garden, and this is the method I've been using for years. So this is what it is, guys. Building a soft, self-sustainable raised bed that will sustain its own self. So in the spring, all you got to do is plant. This is fresh Edo, still in the ground. All right. So this is it, guys. A raised bed that will self-sustain itself. This is a method I've been using for years, and it works perfectly. It saves you a lot of time. It saves you a lot of water, and your plants them grow natural. This is also how the ancestors used to create their garden. Using the logs underneath. You see the leaf also. And there's one more thing I'm going to be adding. So give me 1 second. Yes, guys. All right, guys, so guess what? This is compost tea, liquid fertilizer. This liquid fertilizer was created from the plants from in the garden. All my peppers, the leaf, them, the weeds, this is how this was created. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna come and we're gonna soak the raised bed